In order to get a more focused view of the number of people that I see in my views, I have a filter on the left side called Groups. The first kind of group is a public one, which shows me my whole organizational structure, which has been delivered from a central place. As you can see, I can navigate down, for example, by clicking on Copenhagen and then choosing a specific department. It could be departments, sites, project teams, or whatever the administration has allowed me to be able to see. If you really like a group and use it a lot, you can mark it as your favorite. This second kind of group is a shared group. That is groups that have been shared directly with me, such as project groups. This brings me to the third area, which is my groups. Here I can see the department that I marked before as my favorite, and I can also make my own groups. I do that very easily by clicking on the plus sign. Here I can choose who I want to have in my group and give it a name. I have different options for my group. One is that I can make it a shared group, which could be useful if someone else, like a personal assistant, also needs access to the group. I can also add more owners to the group so that they can also make changes to members and so on. Press OK, and now, as you can see, my new group appears under My Groups. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.